Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Charlotte Rose. I'm an artist and illustrator based in the UK. So today's video is just a little Halloween DIY that I did. I basically just made our life-size skeleton a ghost costume. I tried to kind of dress him up every so often. He's got a Santa suit for Christmas. And yeah, we're having a Halloween party in a couple of weeks and I just thought it'd be fun to make him something, just to make him a little bit extra, you know. It was a super simple DIY. I literally just got some scrap fabric and painted it and hung it over him, but it's come out. I'm really happy with it. I think it's quite effective, so I thought I'd just film it and make a little video of it because it was a fun thing to do. And you don't need a life-size skeleton to hang it over, you can hang it over anything. So this is our lovely skeleton. His name is Horace, named after Horace and Jasper from 101 Dalmatians. Don't ask me why, I'm not entirely sure. Please ignore all the masking tape in the background, by the way, we've recently been decorating, so, you know, just ignore that for a minute. So this button makes the eyes glow red, but it needs a new battery, so that didn't work at the moment. So my stepdad bought us this skeleton after we drove past an osteopath's office who had a life-size skeleton hanging in the window. And I said that I'd always wanted a life-size skeleton, so thank you, Neil. So here I've basically just hung the fabric over the skeleton and I'm just trying to mark out roughly where his eyes and mouth are, just so that it's kind of to scale. I mean, he kind of looks like a blobfish when I open this up in a second, but you know, hopefully with a bit of paint we can make that look a bit better. Look at that. So this is just me setting up in our living room. My boyfriend doesn't work weekends, so I decided to try and set up in the living room so I could sit near him while I was doing this. The fabric I'm using is basically just the lining of an old pair of curtains. I have loads of scrap fabric. I get given a lot of fabric and my aim is always to sort of try and upcycle it in some way. So I'm just using this super cheap black acrylic paint on this because it doesn't need to be particularly good quality or anything. See my cat's trying to get involved with the video. So big fluffy black cat in the background is Pedro, and the little black and white one who's a bit younger is Akko, named after the main character in Little Witch Academia, for any fans out there. So painting the face on actually took way longer than I anticipated, so I sped this up quite a lot. I also ended up smudging, the fabric ended up moving a little bit, which made some of the paint underneath seep through a bit, so I took it all off and just put some cardboard underneath just so that it had a clean surface underneath it. So yeah, that's why the table looks all lumpy here, it's just uneven cardboard underneath, but I'd nearly finished it so I just didn't really care at this point, I just wanted to get it done. But yeah, so here's how he looks. The little smudges look way worse with the light behind. Luckily he stands in a quite dark hallways, so they won't show up too much. So yeah, this is how he looks. Look at him, I think he looks really cute. I kind of like that the sheets are quite short so you can still see his little skeleton legs. And he's all set for Halloween now. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, guys. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more DIY videos and zine tours and just what I do as an illustrator and artist, basically. I thought I'd end the video with this little animation I did for Halloween. Hope you like it and hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!